In this video, we will go over the concept of the reverse words in a character array problem we will solve and understand the algorithm for it. The question asks us to write a function that reverses a string. The input is given as an array of characters S. It also informs us that we must do this by modifying the input array in place with a constant space solution. Constant memory or space means that we can't create a new array to populate with values. We need to modify the existing one. Also, note the words in place, which means editing the given array, and not creating a new one. The algorithm I am thinking of using to solve this question is to have one variable starting with index 0, and another with an index of size of the array minus 1. We will swap the elements of these indices, and then move the left pointer forward by one spot and the right pointer back by one spot. Eventually, by swapping the values, we will have reversed the entire array.